Okay, everybody, so welcome back to Okies Eden. This is the hydroponic unit, and I just wanted to give you a brief summary of what's going on here. Up here is the lights. It telescopes up and down because you want it about 4 inches from each seedling, so that's why as they grow you just keep moving this up. It's a full spectrum light. It's got red, blue, and white light. It has all of these pod holes and the body of water. I've already mixed the solution and added the 2 liters of water to the pool. It gives you an A and a B solution, and then you just add water to the line and then shake. It'll dissolve, and then you add 1.5 milliliters, I think, to the body of water, and then you just add it each week or so as needed. Then it comes with these little baskets. So these are the baskets that suspend it into the water. So they'll go here in each of these holes, and then it will touch the water. You can see it's wet. So the 2 liters, it takes 2 to 2, you keep it between 2 and 2.5 liters for the best result. And then that allows the root to take and get into the water, and then you remove the seedlings, you can plant them later. So I'm going to take each of these, and these are going to go in here. I'm going to just use these 3 holes over to the right side, and you'll see why in a moment. But it comes with a bunch of spare grow pods. These are like potting soil compressed. You smell them; they kind of smell like dirt. And it comes with these 15 of these plastic cages. It also comes with these stickers. So each of these stickers will go over each pod, and then that keeps the light out so you don't grow algae on the water. So it says to use, cover all the holes. I'm not going to cover all the holes with stickers because I don't want to waste them. So I just took a piece of brown paper. I cut a quick template out. It'll go around here. I'll just put some painter's tape on it to hold it down. Keeps the light out of the water so you don't get algae or bugs. And then I can just take a pin and I can poke holes for the air holes. But I'm not going to waste a bunch of stickers where I'm not planting anything just yet, because I only want to run 3 to see how it's going to work. So that will be there. So that's what that's for. I have my seeds. These are just plain old lettuce seeds. They have been in the water for about 4 to 5 hours. They recommend soaking the seeds for 4 to 5 hours. And then what you do is you take the seed pods, and these are now a little bit flexible and mushy. You can see they're flexing. And it says to take the seeds and put them down inside the soil pod. And it says 2 to 3 per cage. So I'll put that one over here. So that is now in the water. I'll grab 3 more lettuce seeds. And then as these sprout and grow, you will pick out the weaker plants, the weaker seed, as they put it, and you'll just pull those out and keep the healthier ones, the ones that are growing, the one that's growing the best. There's 3 in there. I'll drop that in that one, and then I'll take this one. Grab a couple more seeds. And there's 3 in that one. And then I'll have these little domes that I'll snap on later. As I peel these, well, it already came off. I'm not sure that was supposed to come off yet. Maybe it was, I don't know. But anyways, so I put that, just put that over here. The accessory pack I got also has extra stickers in it. So 2 of the holes opened up and 2 didn't. So I'm going to put 2 that have a hole and 1 without, and I'll see what's happening. It doesn't really give an explanation as to when to break the center out. I'm assuming it's got to be broken out now, because otherwise the plant would stick to it when it started, growing. So now I just have those they're little plastic domes, and that gives it the environment that helps it grow the best. And then I will turn the light on, and according to this, it gives you a really cool chart for germination. I will put it on seedling mode when I turn the light on. It should go for about 16 hours at 60% light. And then once they germinate and become a seedling, it talks about, hours, brightness level, etc., and the notes about each one. And then as it grows and continues to grow, it gives you the different percentages to use as you add your nutrients. So I'm going to go put this in the back area. You'll see it next time when I do a video on an update. And hopefully we'll start having some seedlings by then. But until then, I'll put my domes on. I'm going to cover these other holes to keep the light out of the water, so we get no algae growth and no bugs. And then we will see you as soon as I start getting some seedlings. Okay, we'll see you next time.